Hello everyone, I'm here again with the same topic but different questions. How? In my previous video, we learned about the rules of addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, and we solved question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 6.4. Now, in this video, we will solve the remaining questions of exercise 6.4. Those who haven't watched my previous video must watch it first to understand the rules of addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Then you will find this video or the question solved in this video more easy to understand. So let's start with exercise 6.4, question number 4. Now this is exercise 6.4, question number 4, part 1. Now we have three algebraic expressions: 4x plus 4y plus 5y minus 4z minus 5x plus 4y plus 8z. As you know, the first step is to open the brackets. The signs within this algebraic expression will not change because it has positive sign outside the bracket. But the sign within these expressions will be changed because it has negative sign outside the bracket. Now let's open the brackets. 4x plus 4y plus 5y minus 4z minus 5x minus 4y and minus 8z. The signs has been changed. Now the next step is to group them or group the like terms. This term has s as a variable and this also has x as a variable. So we will group them: 4x minus 5x, then y, y, y. These three terms has y as a variable, they are also combined. And these two terms have z as a variable, so we will combine them: minus 4z minus 8z. Now after grouping, the next step is to solve, and following the rules of addition in algebra, we will use the rules of integers. Where we have like signs we will add, and where we have unlike signs we will subtract. Now look here, we have unlike signs. It is positive 4 and it is minus 5. So we will subtract here and we will left with minus x because we will put the sign of the greater value. Next is 4y plus 5y minus 4y. This positive 4y and this negative 4y can be cut like this. Or if you solve them mentally, 4y plus 5y is 9y. Then minus 4y is again plus 5y. So if the terms are same but the signs are different, we just cut them. And the remaining term will be the leftover. Then we have minus 4z and minus 8z. Minus minus is plus, so we will add them but put the sign of the greater value. So our answer is minus x plus 5y minus 12z. Those students who have watched my previous video, which is part 1 of addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, they will find these questions very easy to understand and solve. Now exercise 6.4, question number 4, part 2. Again we have three algebraic expressions. First is 7xy plus 3yz, then plus 8xy minus 6yz, then minus 9xy plus 3yz plus 2. Here again we will not change the sign of this expression because we have positive sign outside it, but we will change the sign of this expression because we have negative sign outside the brackets. So let's open the brackets. Yes, 7xy plus 3yz, then plus 8xy minus 6yz, then minus 9xy minus 3yz minus 2. As you can see that I have highlighted the change sign with this red color. Now the next step is to group the like terms. Here we have 1, 2, 3 like terms with variable xy. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 like terms with variable yz, and this 2 is constant and there is no other constant, so we will write it as it is. So now start solving them. As we have two positive sign and one negative sign, so we will add them first. 7 plus 8 is 15, then 15 minus 9 is 6. So positive 15 is greater, so we will put the sign of plus or addition symbol we will use here over here. So the answer will be positive 6y. Then as you can see, two terms are same but different signs. books, we can simply cut them and we have minus 6yz left, and this minus 2 will be written as it is in the answer. So our final answer is 6xy minus 6yz minus 2. I hope you are understanding the concept. It is very easy for those who have watched the previous video. So make sure. Now exercise 6.4 question number 4 part 3. You will find this question a piece of cake now. We have only two expressions. First is 4m plus 5m minus 2 and the second is 3m plus 2. As you can see, we have negative sign or minus sign before this algebraic expression, so the signs within the bracket will be changed. Now let's open the bracket. We have 4m plus 5m minus 2 minus 3m minus 2, and as you can see, the signs of both terms have been changed. Now let's arrange the like terms. We have this 4m, then this 5m, and then this minus 3m. We will arrange them, and then minus 2n and this constant minus 2. Let's solve them. Answer will be 4m plus 5m is 9m, minus 3m is 6m, minus 2n minus 2. Very simple. Now exercise 6.4 question number 4 part 4. Now we have three algebraic expressions. First is 13b plus 2q. Second is 6q minus 2r, and third is 5r. Now first step is to open the bracket and we will change the sign within this bracket. Now we get 13p plus 2q minus 6q plus 2r plus 5r. The sign, this negative sign and this positive sign has been changed. Now the next step is to arrange or group the like terms. This is the only single term with variable p, but we have two terms with variable q and two terms with variable r. So 13p will be written as it is, then plus minus is minus, so we will subtract and put the sign of a greater value. We get minus 4q, and then we have two positive signs and we will get 2r plus 5r is 7r. Now exercise 6.4 question number 5. We have a question. Kinza, Mehek and Rabia have P, 2Q and 3R books. P, you can consider any subject, like P is for example a mathematics book, Q is for example an English book, and R means a science book. So instead of the names of the books, we have used variable P, Q and R. So Kinza, Mehek and Rabia, it means Kinza has P books, Mehek has 2Q books, and Rabia has 3R books respectively. How many books they have altogether? What we have to do, we have to first of all write the statement that Kinza has P books, Mehek has 2Q and Rabia has 3R books. Okay. They are asking how many books altogether. Obviously altogether means we have to add them. So we will just write an algebraic expression. We will form an algebraic expression for this because we cannot solve them because the variables are different. When the variables are different, they are unlike them. They cannot be added and subtracted. So we will leave our answer with like this, that total books are P plus 2Q plus 3R. How simple this question was. This is exercise 6.4 question number 6. The question is find the perimeter of rectangle. As you know, the rectangle has four sides and the sum of all four sides is called perimeter. The length of this rectangle is 3x plus 4y plus 4z and the width or breadth is x plus 4. When we will add all four sides, we will get the perimeter of this rectangle. So from this we will generate a formula that perimeter is equal to these two lengths and these two breadths. When we take the sum of all four sides, we will get the perimeter. So let's put the values of length and breadth in the formula. We get 2 into length plus 2 into breadth or width. Now let's multiply. These two will be multiplied by each term in the expression. Like 2 into 3 is 6x, then 2 into 4 is 8y, then 2 into 4 is 8z, Here plus 2 into x is 2x, then 2 into 4 is 8. So as you can see, we have now 6x plus 8y plus 8z plus 2x plus 8. Now you all have understood. Now the next step is to group the like terms and then add or subtract them. So 6x plus 8y plus 8z plus 2x plus 8 is not the answer. We will now group the like terms, and the like terms are 6x plus 2x. So we have 8x, then 8y plus 8y is the only term with y as a variable, so it will be written as it is. Then we have 8z, which will also be written as it is, and 8. So it is very simple. The answer is, or the perimeter of this rectangle is 8x plus 8y plus 8z plus 8. Now exercise 6.4 question number 7. This is a logical question but not a difficult one. But we have to keep focus on what they are asking for and what they have told us. If the perimeter of a triangle is 5x plus 6y plus 8z, and you all know perimeter is the sum of all sides of a given shape. Here the shape is triangle, so the sum of all three sides is 5x plus 6y plus 8z. And the length of two sides are x plus y plus z and x minus 2y plus 3z. Suppose this side length is x plus y plus z and this side's length is x minus 2y plus 3z, and the third side is not known. We have to find the length of the third side. So given information is the perimeter side 1, side 2, and side 3 is not known, which we have to find. We will add side 1 and side 2 and subtract the sum of these two sides from the perimeter. The remaining will be the side 3. This is the logic we have to understand. So the sum of two sides we have to find out. First side is x plus y plus z, and the second side is x minus 2y plus 3z. Now arrange the like terms. We get 2x minus y plus 4z. So the sum of two sides are known. Now the next step is to subtract the sum of two sides from the perimeter, and the leftover will be the value or the length of side 3. Third side will be perimeter minus sum of two sides. So third side is putting the value of perimeter 5x plus 6y plus 8z and subtract the sum of two sides from it. Sum is 2x minus y plus 4z. As we are subtracting this expression, so we will change the sign of this expression in the next step. 5x plus 6y plus 8z minus 2x plus y minus 4z. You know the next step. Arrange the like terms, and if you can skip this step, you can. So our answer is 5x minus 2x is 3x, plus 6y plus y is 7y, and plus 8z minus 4z is plus 4z. So the value of the third side, or the length of the third side, is 3x plus 7y plus 4z. This was the end of today's video, and the next video will be about evaluation and simplification of algebraic expression. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please click on the bell icon for timely notification, and share this video with all your friends and families.